Do you have a girlfriend?
No, no. I'm right now. I'm unlucky to have this.
How does your mom feel about this?
Actually, yeah, I have no parents. It is fine. I I do not think about it very much.
Okay, good for you.
Yeah,
I'm glad that you don't have that pressure.
exactly. There are a lot of pressures. I heard about that. Do you have any
I,
boyfriend,
I
or are you
don't
married?
have a I don't have a boyfriend and I'm not married. But I have someone that I like quite a lot.
Oh, great, great.
But that's
Cool.
it.
Yes,
That's me.
that's
Mhm.
fair enough.
Mhm. Mhm.
You look blushing.
I know. I'm thinking of love. I love love so much. Like it's quite crazy. Hello there.
Yes. And how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you doing?
Yes, I am very good right now, and but the day is very rainy.
Very rainy. Okay, so guess what? My name is Tanya. It's really nice to meet you. What is your name?
My name is Indrajit, and I am from India.
Okay, wait. Say your name slower. I want to hear it and I want to be able to say it properly.
Sure, sure. Indrajit.
Indrajit.
Perfect,
Indrajit.
perfect.
Yeah. Okay. Lovely to meet you.
Yes, yes. It is really nice to meet you. And so, what do you do except teaching on Cambly?
Well, beside teaching on Cambly, I paint
Oh, really?
and I swim in the ocean. I drink wine and beer, lots of coffee.
Oh,
I take it easy, and I'm currently looking for another job. So I'm currently taking it easy.
yes,
Before
yes.
this, before this, I was teaching English. Yes,
And I see that you are so flexible.
very flexible. So at the moment, flexibility is important for me.
Oh, so where are you from?
I am originally from South Africa. That's where I was born and raised. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I want to ask you that what do you like, typing or writing?
Ooh, you know, I thoroughly enjoy both. Okay, but I must say that I get more enjoyment from writing. Like
Yes,
when I have thoughts that I need to get out, I don't type them, I write them.
yes, exactly. Same thing I follow because writing makes me remember anything easily rather than
Mm,
typing.
mm.
And it is the best advantage of writing. And also, I will say that mm, typing makes me lazy.
Typing makes you lazy. You know, you're right because I so I could we could basically say we type for others and we write for
Yes.
ourselves. You know
Oh,
what I mean?
oh, yes, yes. I know. I can understand what you are
Yeah.
saying. That it is really significant. You are saying.
Yes. Profound, right?
I know.
Are you quite a deep person?
uh, deep person, not quite deep person, but I am free and fine, and I am free and facile.
You you are? Sorry.
Yeah, I am free. I am free, and I am free-minded person, open-minded person.
Free-minded person. Do you know what it means to be like quite a deep person?
Uh, can you elaborate, please, for me?
Okay, so a deep person is someone who likes to uh, understand like the meaning of things and get to like the deeper heart of an issue or talk about the more meaningful things of life.
Yes, yes. I am. I think I am the person like. each person.
I can see it, man.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And also, what is your hobby, by the way?
So all of the things that my life has become pretty much my hobby, you know. So I try and live a life that I do not need a holiday from, because I worked very hard for many years, and I just kind of, my hobby is painting, swimming, drinking coffee, and teaching English and speaking to lovely individuals such as yourself.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And I think
Yes.
you are so energetic, I will say, because coffee make you very energetic, right? To talk with
I,
talk
yes,
and more.
yes. I limit it though to 2 cups a day. Otherwise, because Vietnamese coffee is, it gives you superpowers. I'm not joking.
Yes,
It makes you feel a little bit like high if you're not
correct.
careful. Yes.
Every
Yes.
every day I
Yes.
try
Mm.
when I visit there.
It would be great to have you in Vietnam.
Yes.
I think you would enjoy it. It's a very peaceful place.
Okay. Great. I will definitely enjoy it. And also, I like painting. Like,
Really?
yes, I usually paint landscapes and I use watercolor to paint.
Oh, wow. That's incredible. How long have you been painting?
I learned it when I was kid. I learned it from an art school. Then I take it as a hobby. And also the during last year lockdown, I have fallen into another hobby, that is making videos for YouTube.
Incredible hobby. I support all of the hobbies that you
Yeah,
do.
yeah. Thank you very much. It means a lot. And actually, I was so introvert when I started my YouTube journey. Then my family members used to say that you have to be extrovert to crack your exam, to crack your interviews. So that's why I started my YouTube channel, and then I have been uploading a lot of videos. Whatever I learned, I just share, and sorry, and I am enjoying right now.
You are? Pardon?
Enjoying right now this thing.
Oh, good. I can see you look happy.
Yes, yes. I'm
And
very happy to make content.
yeah,
And also, yeah, there are a lot of people who cannot afford such English learning platforms. So that's why it is very helpful, very, very helpful for them.
of
And also, there are
course.
a lot of subscribers uh, always comment that they are very blessed to have such YouTubers.
Oh, that's amazing. High five, dude. Yes. I love it.
Thank you very much, sir. Very much.
So, how do you maintain your happiness?
I nowadays the world is full of uh, negativeness because COVID-19, and also there are a lot of riots around the world. So I try to be happy and I try to be positive always, because I have to wake up every morning and I have to overcome all the fear, all the negativeness. So
Yeah.
I
Welcome,
enjoy my,
welcome it all.
yeah, thank you very much. And also I enjoy whatever I am doing. I'm I enjoy. So this is I think this is the main positive thinking in my life right now.
Incredible. So, it's important in life to embrace positivity as well as negativity. I absolutely agree. I once read something by Rumi. Do you know Rumi?
No, 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 no. What is
So
the spelling?
he's a philosopher, Rumi.
Okay, Ruby.
He a Sikh and a poet, and he's just magnificent. And he said that you know, these things are merely visitors, so welcome them in, and then let them leave because uh, as much as they come in, they go as well.
Yes,
Positivity and negativity.
yes. And also, life has both sad or happy. Happy things and sad things will be there in the life. So that is called life, right? We should learn every lesson from life.
Of course. Of course. And then when you don't learn the lesson, forgive yourself, right? That's hard.
Yes.
That's hard. But it must be done.
Yes, yes. And everything will be overcome, I will say.
Hmm. So tell me a little bit more about you. How
Yeah,
old are you?
I am
Do you have
23 right
kids? Are
now.
you? Hmm.
I am 23 right now, and I am currently pursuing my engineering degree, a Bachelor of Technology in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I have one more year left to go.
Oh, fantastic. And where do you see yourself in 10 years' time? Or where do you hope to be personally and with your career? Come on,
Yeah,
dream big.
yeah, yes, yes. And I want to do a decent job in my fields, whatever I'm studying right now, and also I want to be a great YouTuber so that I can influence all the people and I can motivate all the people who are struggling for their learning English. And also there are a lot of people who just who are afraid of speaking in English in front of strangers, in front of
Yes.
public, because they think that some people will be making for them fun. So
Making fun of them?
yes, yes, exactly. So that's why I always motivate them that it is a language. So you and it is learning a new language, learning a foreign language. It is sometimes at the beginning it is very difficult, right? So
Of
you don't care
course.
them. You just focus on yourself, and that I think that they will overcome all the fears.
Absolutely. You have learned the secret. It's something that I try and actually teach my students is foreigners, native speakers, we love accents, man. And we don't mind if you make mistakes. Like, seriously, we don't. Think about yourself. If I had to try learn your native language and I made a few mistakes, would you hate me for it or would you just be like, cool?
Yeah, and there are
Yeah,
good accents, right? South African accents, Australian accents, American accents, Indian accents. So
exactly.
yeah, it is not a
Um,
problem to sound like a native speaker to sound like not native speaker.
You need to sound like you need to sound like you speaking English. And
Yes, and
also,
also
chicks dig an accent. Yes.
good, good. You are such a you have a great sense of humor.
Thank you very much.
Good fact.
So, do you have a girlfriend?
Uh, no, no, I have no. No, no. I'm right now. I am unlucky to have this.
How does your mom feel about this?
Actually, yeah, I have no parents.
Is your mom going to? Does your mom want you to get married by a certain age and have children and things like that?
No, my uncles and aunts doesn't like that. But whatever they decide, and also I'm right now. I'm very happy, so it is fine. I I do not think about it very much.
Okay, good for you.
Yeah,
I'm glad that you don't have that pressure.
exactly. There are a lot of pressures. I heard about that. Do you have any
I
boyfriend,
I
or are you
don't
married?
have a boyfriend and I'm not married. But I have someone that I like quite a lot.
Oh, great, great.
But that's
Good.
it.
Yes.
That's me.
And I think that likeness or love there should be in life once, and so that you can uh, spend your time happily. Sometimes that's
Hmm.
fair enough.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You look blushy.
I know. I'm thinking of love. I love love so much. Like it's quite crazy.
And
I
you are
love
so passionate.
yeah, very. Yeah. I love easily. Like
Yes, and also as well as you are so sensitive, I will say.
oh, thank you. I think so too. I think
Yes,
it's a good thing.
yes,
I think you are too.
yes, exactly, exactly. Yes, exactly. So we are running out of time.
I
Sorry.
know.
Really, really lovely to meet you. Hope to see you soon again.
You are
Take care.
wonderful.
Yeah,
Thank you
yeah.
so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye bye.